This triangle has 3 equal sides, shown by these dashes here. This triangle has 2 equal sides. This triangle has a right angle. This triangle has no special features. Can you name these triangles? The first one is an equilateral triangle. In an equilateral triangle, the 3 sides are the same and the 3 angles are the same, and they're always 60 degrees. The second one is an isosceles triangle. We have 2 sides the same and the 2 base angles are the same as well. This one was a right angled triangle. And finally, if there are no special features and all the sides are different lengths, then we have a scalene triangle. These shapes are all quadrilaterals because they have 4 sides. Can you name them? You should know the first 2 straight away. This one is a parallelogram. We also need to know that this side is parallel to this side, shown by these arrows, and this side is parallel to this side. Some people think of a parallelogram as a pushed over rectangle. This one is a rhombus. Again, this side is parallel to this side. This side is parallel to this side. All the sides are the same length. Some people think of a rhombus as a pushed over square. On a trapezium, we just have one pair of parallel sides. Sometimes on an exam, you might be asked which quadrilaterals have diagonals that cross at right angles. The answers are a square and a rhombus. These 2 shapes are also quadrilaterals. This one is a kite, and this one is an arrowhead. A kite also has diagonals that cross at right angles. A kite also has 2 pairs of equal sides, here and here. And an arrowhead has 2 pairs of equal sides, here and here. These are all regular polygons. They have equal sides and equal angles. Press pause and write down the names of them. When you're ready to check your work, press play. We already know the first 2. This shape has 5 sides and is a pentagon. This one has 6 sides and it's a hexagon. Some people remember this because 6 and hexagon both have the letter X. This shape has 8 sides, so it's an octagon. Everybody knows that an octopus has 8 legs, so you can use that to help you remember it. Out of interest, these polygons also have names. A 7-sided shape is called a heptagon. Sometimes it's called a septagon. If it has 9 sides, it's a nonagon. A 10-sided shape is called a decagon. This is the one that's most likely to come up on the exam out of these 5. A lot of teachers don't even know this one. An 11-sided shape is an undecagon. A 12-sided shape is a dodecagon. These are both irregular polygons because not all the sides and angles are the same. However, because they both still have 5 sides, they're both called pentagons. What's the name of this polygon? It has 6 sides, so it's a hexagon. Here's a question for you. You have to match up the shapes to the names. Some of the names may have more than one shape. Press pause and try it. When you're ready for the answers, press play. Here are the answers. These 2 shapes are both pentagons. This one is regular and this one is irregular.